Enhancing patrol efficiency, the Trikke electric vehicle for police and security teams. Discover the future of urban patrolling with the revolutionary Trikke electric vehicle. Designed for agility, efficiency, and zero-emission operation, the Trikke is transforming how law enforcement and security teams move through crowded or urban environments. With its sleek three-wheel design, eco-friendly performance, and high maneuverability, it's the ultimate upgrade in mobility tech for modern patrol needs. Perfect for police and security teams, campus and event patrol, eco-conscious, and urban mobility. Stay safe, stay efficient, stay ahead with Trikke. Subscribe for more innovations in law enforcement technology.